Anong nangyari? Hala. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hello, what can I do for you, sir?
Good morning, Philippines!
Hi, sir. Look, hi. Can I take a loan? $20,000, sir. I guess he is trying to do my thing. And I have cookies here, guys. Look, the cookie that my Tommy's nephew's wife made. That one is so good.
Well, I'm trying to format this drive, but it may be easier to do it off that computer right now because it's right now it can't be written to because it's set up for Mac. So, I mean, I can do it anyway, but it would be a bigger pain in the neck, so it's easier to just do it from the Mac.
Okay, close that. Close the. Oh, yeah, don't close it. Just shrink because I did. Hala, that's not the new one, Han. That's not it, Han.
I ran his backup.
No, there is another one. No,
There's only one thing plugged in here, hon.
that's not it. That's not the new one you gave me.
This one's not?
That's the old one, the second one. Hala ko. So guys, I gave him the wrong ad. What is this one?
My drive.
The wrong external drive. Luckily, it's not totally erased because all my vlog is there. Is this same wire, Han?
Same one.
Okay, you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is my setup, guys. It's not clean yet. It's still a lot of mess, a lot of dirt, a lot of things. Ayan. Pero ako, sobrang happy ako nito. Ito. As in. Kasi hindi na dyan siya matanggal, guys. But I kinda move this, this glass on top. I move it a little bit. Look, tignan nyo my space. Para na lang ma-mount ko to. So, itong yung mic na to is very sturdy na. Hindi na siya. Kasi 'di ba I don't know you guys, sa isang channel ko nahulog to, guys, na dito. Dito. Pero hindi dito, buti na lang hindi dito kasi kapag dito glass ito, saka ito ay magwala talaga. Good morning, guys. Today, guys, guys, hindi ako nag-vlog for a few days. Mga today is Saturday. No, yeah, Saturday. And hindi ako nag-vlog for I think 3 days. So, dito tayo, guys. Magsha-shout out ako. I-shout out natin pasensya na, guys, salit na itong mga shout out natin. Hi to It's Me Jess. Say hi, sis Dolores Cayusa. Hi po. Thank you so much for watching. And also hi to Janet Kismundo from San Fernando, Pampanga. Hi po, sis. Hi to Kayuli Yukom. Hi po. Hi to Amelia Bacanic Ling. And hi to Helen Frias Lumaya Abiertas. And also shout out din sa anak niyang si Sandra Abiertas. And also hi kay sis Violeta Salva from Calamba, Laguna. Hi po. And also kay Leslie Guinness or Hinis. And also hi to Mercy P. Guzmundo. Hi po. Hi to Alma Orozco. And also hi to Rosel Salvador Orhil. So, mayroong magpapa-shoutout from Hong Kong, si Sis Inday Gandijainon in Hong Kong. Hi po! Enjoy sa Hong Kong. I think na nagtatrabaho ka daha. Ingat, sis. Ingat. And also, lately, may mga nag-share sa mga videos ko. Isa-shoutout ko lang. Diba, mag-post ako ng link ng vlog ko sa Facebook ko. At saka, yung nag-share, salamat sa iyo po. Salamat po sa inyo talaga ng marami. I really do appreciate for sharing my videos. Pasensya na sa light kasi ano ko nga itong. Salamat, sis Elisa Palin. Thank you sis so much for sharing my video sa sa Facebook. Ninita Suarez, she's always sharing my video sa Facebook wall niya. Thank you, sis. And also kay sis Vingving Im Asivido. Hello po sa inyo. Si Ninita Suarez always. Never end talaga ito si Sis Ninita. Thank you, Sis Nita. At saka si Purals Angel. Hello po. Kasi Charito Birao. Birao Abria. Michelle Dalit din. M2 Daroy. M2 Daroy Guad. And sa next time ulit guys, sana ma-share naman ninyo every time na meron akong video sa YouTube. Sinishare ko siya sa Facebook. Tara, punta tayo sa baba. Tara. Punta tayo sa baba. Yun, ay, kaya pala maginaw. Kasi, hinayaan kong open itong door. Door. Dubai siya na. Dubai. I see Dubai. Tula-tula tayo, magnilataan. This one, I thought I will do this today, but hindi nangyari. Kasi iba yung minukbang ko. So, magmukbang tayo, iba naman yung imumukbang natin. Okay? Ginoo ko, nagwala na yung pusa dahil hindi ko binigyan ng pagkain. Guys, anong ginagawa ninyo guys after Christmas guys? Anong ginagawa ninyo paminsan sa ninyo yung I don't know, kasi kami, pagkatapos ng Christmas, wala kaming ginagawa. You know, yung mga tao dito, balik trabaho. Kung meron akong trabaho, balik din ako trabaho. Pero, curious ako kung ano yung mga ginagawa ninyo sa pagkatapos ng Christmas. You know, sa Pilipinas, may mga leftover, yung mga hindi pa tapos yung kainan. Kapag nagluluto ka ng Christmas, hindi pa tapos yung kainan dahil yung lechon, kung may lechon kayo, ang ginagawa ninyo sa lechon is nagano kayo. Tawag nito, ang ginawa niyo is lechon paksiw, di ba? Ang sarap ng lechon paksiw. No, don't scam me. You scam that you telling me, Mama, I wanna go outies. But no, you just scam me that you know every time you come back you get treaties. Yes, treaties. Yan, meron na tayong Hi, ginoo ko guys. Nanonood pala ako guys ng guys, 6 in the City. Yun nila, di ba Saturday, mahirap maghanap ng kapag Saturday. So yun yung nakita ko. So sabi ko, ay, tayo, mag 6 in the City tayo. Ito pala siya guys. Look, bones yan, di ba? It says here, beef neck bones, USA. Ito yung sa liig, ito. Itong corn is anuhin lang natin to siya. So, ito yung gagawin natin. I boil water already over there, guys. Pabukalin. Paboil lang natin siya. Pabukalin. Ito, imumukbang natin ito pang dinner. Busog pa ako. Ganito yung problema ko, guys. Kapag kumakain ako ng lunch, naobserbahan ko, hindi ko na gustong kumain ng dinner. For some reason, ganyan yung ko. I don't know, guys, kung bakit ganon. Yung peppercorn ba? Lagyan ko ng peppercorn kaso hindi ko alam kung asan niya nilagay. Kaloka na to si Tami. Hala, tinapon nila yun? Huwag mong sabihin tinapon niya. Wala na dito kasi. Wala dito sali si Susan ako. Sana hindi niya tinapon. Natumba siya, guys. After New Year, exercise na talaga ako, guys. Yun yung motto ko for next year. Exercise is life. Kasi palagi na tayong kumakain, guys. Kailangan na nating exercise na talaga. Okay? Hi, guys! Kanina pa itong buwil ng buwil. At saka nanonood ako ng vlog. Yes, I'm watching vlogs from people. And ito yun siya, guys. Nilagay ko na si Mais. Yan, nilagay ko si Mais. So, yun siya, guys. Okay? Later na, baby. Okay? Later. I'll give you din first. You have to eat your din, okay? Your din. Tapos ng Christmas, guys. Sinong na-excite sa Christmas, guys? Excited naman ako sa Christmas, pero madaling natapos. Tapos na. And then New Year, and then 2019. Kailangan na tayong mag-renew ng ating green card. Mag-renew ako guys, 10 years kasi ano siya, hindi ako nag-apply ng citizenship kasi ayaw ko pa mag-apply talaga. As in, wala pa ako sa mood na mag-apply ng citizenship. So, walang mood tayo, wala pa sa mood. Maghintay-hintay lang tayo pag may mood na tayo. May mood. So, yun, i-renew natin yung 10 years green card natin. And yung passport ko is 2 years na siyang expired. Wala pa rin ako, hindi pa rin ako nagre-renew din. Ang tapul-tapulan ko kasi. So, yun. Hala. Okay? Ganyan yan sila. Kanina. Aloy. Anyway, we have to turn the light on. Yun. Hala, ang daming sasakyan dun, guys. Anong nangyari? Hala. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Hala. Ang daming sasakyan, guys. Hindi ko magets kung bakit itong kapitbahay namin, guys, ba. Nagtataka ako, guys, bakit every Saturday talaga, guys, mayroong mga tao, madaming tao diyan sa kanila every Saturday, and then hindi lang tao, aso. Ang aso diyan is like, hindi ko alam kung anong pagkanosi ko lang talaga, pero naku-curious talaga, no, kapag may neighbor kang ganun. So maku-curious ka talaga kung ano yung mga pinagagawa nila, lalot na ang daming sasakyan. Andun na, nakapark na sila malapit sa park, sa road na dun sa area ko kasi hindi na magkasya sa driveway nila. Mataas yung driveway nila. Yun. So, iwan ko, pero may aso. Yun ang naka-curious ko. Bakit may aso? Pwede naman magpa-party-party, diba? Pero aso, every person talaga may aso. Hindi ko alam kung ano yun, diba? Magpatuli ba sila na? She's ready for her dinner. Hi, Dion. Hello, baby. How's my baby girl? How's my baby girl? How's my love, huh? I love you. Yeah, tapos na. Maganda sana siya, guys. Kung ano, guys. Kung bok choy or kahit ano, wag lang, ano. Gusto ko lang talaga may gulay na green. So, nilagay ko na lang yun dong spinach kahit hindi siya bagay. Pero, whatever. Nasa ano man yan sa lasa. So, yun. Yun. Sarap niyan, guys. Grabe. I just really need to, I need to charge my phone kasi lubat na lubat talaga tong phone ko, guys. And, kailangan ko ding i-check itong game kung install. Hala. Game purchase yesterday. Si Tami tumawag. Hindi pala na-install yun. Kaya pala.
Call from...
Hello, what can I do for you, sir?
Yeah, what's going on?
Here in my office.
In the office?
Just come up here, actually. I just finished downstairs with my cooking for mukbang.
Okay, and did you ever resolve your issue with the gaming?
Yeah, they told me you have to go to the settings, go to graphic, you have to change your resolution.
Okay.
So I did.
And did you try it?
I did. It says there is window, and then there is a full screen window, and then full screen. So I did windowed.
Okay. So you were able to do it.
So that's it. Hindi ako nakabalik, guys. So, anyway, matulog na ako. Ano na, guys, 11 o'clock na ng gabi. Nag-i-edit ako ng video, and then matulog na tayo kasi bukas puntahan natin yung biyanan ko, and dalhin natin siya dito. So, yun lang, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow with my biyanan. Hindi masyado akong makapag-vlog, pero yeah, I will see you tomorrow. Anyway, kahit short clip lang siya, basta kay meron tayo. Kikita nyo, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow, and thank you all, guys, so much for for supporting this channel and for, you know, like watching me, and you know, you like watching my vlog. I really